My apologies, guys. It is still not available on the Louis Vuitton site. I checked as of October 1st, 2025. The 2025 inserts are available now. If you I'm never forsaken, never alone. The God of heaven, call me his own. Okay, my friends, welcome to my page. I am doing I would call it a part two of an unboxing. I unboxed Louis Vuitton PM Agenda inserts for 2026, and they were PM and also MM. But today I'm going to dig a little bit closer into one of my subscribers asked to see some of the inserts in more detail. So I'm going to take some time and I'm going to do a real comparison of the inserts for 2025 and those for 2026. So in order to do this, we're going to tilt that camera down so you can see these items, because I really want you to see what's on these pages so you can make a decision on whether this will fit your lifestyle for planning for 2026. Okay, here we go. So we have here my Louis Vuitton PM, and this one is where I inserted the 2026, and maybe I should turn it this way so you can see it better. 2026 inserts, and this is my agenda Louis Vuitton, and this is the collaboration with the Murakami collaboration and the PM style, and I have the 2025. Okay, so as I mentioned in the opening, we have the Louis Vuitton where I loaded my 2026 agenda item inserts and then my 2025 agenda inserts. The biggest comparison between the two of these is that the artwork for both of them are different, but the insert pages are pretty identical, other than the dates have changed because it's going into a new year. So that's the biggest change to all of those. And there are some minor changes that I'll talk about in the end of the video. So let's jump into it. If we're looking at the agenda, the 2026 agenda, the first page is just a cover page. And what you're going to see there is some light artwork, and it's just going to tell you that's what you're opening your agenda inserts to. That's where you are. The memo page, this is the personal page. So this is no different than many of the other inserts that you may find on Amazon or some of the other popular sites that create inserts for you. It's where you can list your name, your personal information, emergency information. So that page is one of the first pages that you'll see in the agenda. Now, what's different from the agendas that you'll find really on Amazon and maybe some of the other inserts is that this one caters to religious holidays. Now the first inserts, and I'm going to post them so you can see it here, and I'm taking a look at my notes, make sure I'm telling you everything that you need to know, is that the first pages are of what do they call it, saints, and it's a BSE. I looked that up. It says some are Saints STE and some are Saints ST. So the STE and the ST is male, female. This is really in the, I believe, Catholic religion. And then what I'm finding is if it's a BSE, it's someone who has done good deeds, but they're not quite a saint. So that's how they do it in the Catholic religion. It may be someone out here that knows a lot more than I do. So that's very surface level. And so what they do is there are some specific dates in 2026, and they'll list those dates and those saints will be listed on the particular dates within the month. So those are the first pages that you'll see. You can keep those inserts in there, or you can just remove them. You just have to be careful because all of the pages are double-sided. So if you're removing some, you may be removing a page that you really need because it's printed on the back of one of those sheets. The next that you will encounter in your inserts is there's a list of public and religious holidays, not just in the US. I'm going to insert the pages here. Hopefully, you can see those inserts. There are holidays across the board. So you can use this for those general major holidays that you'll see, like it'll have a New Year's Eve is there. Of course, we celebrate that. There are icons that you'll see on this page, and those icons, and it's a key page, so it'll tell you what these icons mean. That it's a holiday that may be celebrated more than one day, or a holiday that's celebrated just one day. It also has things like Martin Luther King birthday is here. It's all sorts of holidays that you'll see, the Easter holiday and various other ones that you'll see on the page. So you can use that to refer to some US holidays. Just know that there may be Yom Kippur. I believe that's a Jewish holiday. So I think it also has um Jewish holidays here. So probably just different religious holidays they have listed here. And the next page is, and that's after you get to all of the religious holidays throughout the months, there is a key page. And I wish the key page was before you actually get to the holidays, the religious holiday pages. It gives you a ledger for the abbreviations, also for the little icons that are throughout the page as well, so you know what that actually means. So once you get through those front pages of the agenda, then you get into the months. Now, what the 2026 version provides for you, and I'll load this one here, is you'll get the last month. I don't know, is it the full month? No, it's the last week actually of 2025. So this is the 2026 agenda. So you'll get the last week of December, and starting January 1 all the way through 2026, you'll get in this agenda package. That now takes us to the actual pages, and what do they look like? So zoom in here so you can see, because these are the main pages, and this is when you're making a decision as to is this going to work for you or not. So again, remember, these are small. I'm showing you the PM. The MM, there's more room in the M. Really, so now that I think about it, the 800 hours to 1900 hours, it's about 11 hours. So, and those are only listed on the Monday through Friday days. So it's more work hours. So they account for 11-hour work hours. On Saturday and Sundays, there are no time slots for Saturday and Sunday. They're line items, but they're not listed by the hours. So let's get into what do you do as far as being able to write freeform notes. This page, for every page, there is a shaded area where you can jot down all notes that you need to add or you want to add on that particular week, regarding that particular week. So that's throughout the agenda inserts, you'll see that. Let's take a moment. I don't know if we really talked about this, but I don't want to miss this. And let's take a look at that perforated corner there. That corner is made so that you can keep track of where you are in your agenda. So you are supposed to fold that corner down so that you don't really have to use tabs or anything. You can go to your agenda and turn to the page the current page, and it will let you know where you are. Me personally, I don't use it. I really don't want to turn down my pages, so I have not used the perforated corner as it should be used. The next is we have a list of it's the months again, but this one I'm not sure. I cannot tell you the purpose of this insert. I don't use it, so I'm not going to spend much time on it. I'm sure it's some type of holiday, memorial, not really holiday because we already listed it, but I don't know. I'm not going to speculate there. Lastly, there are some blank sheets that you can also write some notes in, but it's only about 2 or 3 pages there. So if you want some blank pages, I would recommend order some off of Amazon or something like cloth and paper. You can get some blank sheets that you can just write notes throughout and section off your agenda. Finally is the last page, and I would call this the credits. And this is it lists who did the illustration. So one thing that I saw here, or I noticed between the two, the 2026 and the 2025, for 2026, there was only one illustrator listed. But for 2025, there's a bunch of illustrators that contributed to this. And quite honestly, I do like the 2025 artwork much better than 2026. All right, so that's a deep dive into all of the pages of the Louis Vuitton inserts. It's the same for the PM, and it also is the same for the larger size, which is the MM. They are both available on the Louis Vuitton site. My apologies, guys. It is still not available on the Louis Vuitton site. I checked as of October 1st, 2025. The 2025 inserts are available. Now, if you want to get the 2026 version, you will need to contact your sales associate, your SA at Louis Vuitton, and have them send you an invoice, and they will ship the 2026 to you. It took about a week when I ordered for it to be delivered, maybe about 2 weeks. But it's still not readily available, so you would have to do a little legwork if you want to get them pretty soon. I would suspect that maybe they will be available in November. I wanted to give you that update. And as far as price is concerned, it was 70 for the PM and 105 hours to 1900 hours. It's about 11 hours. So, and those are only listed on the Monday through Friday days. So it's more work hours. So they account for 11-hour work hours. On Saturday and Sundays, there are no time slots for Saturday and Sunday. There are line items, but they're not listed by the hours. So let's get into what do you do as far as being able to write freeform notes?